Morning, my dear students. Welcome to our next session. Today we are going to discuss about physics class 10 electromagnetism. In this lesson, Lenz's law. This Lenz's law states that the direction of induced EMF or induced current is such that it opposes the change that is producing in it. Here we can understand this statement by simple activity. Let us take one coil here, or instead of coil we can take the conductor even, and this is the one bar magnet facing the north pole. Suppose this is north pole and south pole of bar magnet. If you hold the bar magnet like this, and if you move the north pole of the bar magnet near to the coil, means it is push towards the coil, then you can observe the north pole near the coil. Actually, this shows the motion of the object, means motion of the magnet. Actually, here this curved finger gives the magnetic field. So that is like this. This is what? This is anti-clockwise direction. So here we get actually the north pole. So here, when the magnet is pushed towards the coil, the induced current, here current induced means current produced will oppose the push. It opposes the push, means both north and north pole. So repulsion, here we have the repulsion, so it opposes the push of the magnet by creating a north pole on the face of the coil near the magnet. So this two are north pole. Here repulsion force we can observe. The same way, when the magnet is pulled away, like this now, magnet is pulled away, means the motion of the magnet is away from the coil, then this pull is creating the south pole near the coil. So that we can understand, when the magnet is pulled away from the coil, the induced current produced will oppose the pull. It opposes the pull. That's why we can observe the south pole on the coil, and by creating south pole on the face of the coil near the magnet. So near the magnet, here we can observe the south pole. So from this we can say, when the magnet in motion to push or pull, it is nothing but mechanical energy. So that mechanical energy convert into electrical energy. Here we can observe the induced electromotive force or induced current, that we can identify by using galvanometer. To connect the galvanometer, that galvanometer indicator reflection of that indication, we can observe the induced electromotive force in that coil by mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is converted into a electrical energy. Thus Lenz's law is, this is very very important one. Thus Lenz's law is in accordance with the law of conservation of energy. Here mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. So this is the conservation of energy. This shows the law of conservation of energy. This is about Lenz's law. Thank you.